Alright guys, today I'm going to be unboxing an ugly condition lens from KEH. I bought the bargain condition, I bought excellent condition. I've never bought ugly condition, so I wanted to unbox it because, yeah, and see what quality it is. I'm a little nervous, to be honest, because it was still a pretty piece of money, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. I feel nervous. I feel so nervous, but I do. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Okay, condition, ugly. But to be honest, as long as it doesn't affect the photos, I'm not. I mean, there's dust on the front lens, so let's see. I'm gonna get my camera and take a picture and see what it looks like, if it affects the film, or the photo, I mean. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on my R6, and I'll take a photo. Just give me 1 second. Okay, let's just take a moment. That thing is massive. Okay, so I've just taken some photos. My battery's about to die, by the way, but yeah, I'm not seeing any issues, guys. I think I just saved myself like $1,500. If you're considering buying ugly condition, I'd say give it a chance. And there is, like I said, there is a little bit of something there too, so it's hard to see. But the main of it is right here. I don't think that's fungus. I think that might be haze, but even if it is fungus, I can easily unscrew that and clean it off. But the pictures look fabulous. I've only taken like 3 since I literally just got it, but yeah, highly impressed. Thanks for watching.